Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, where you'll receive tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. So if that sounds like something you'd benefit from, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below, tap the bell, and that'll get you notifications whenever I post new videos on YouTube. So today I want to do something a little different. I just want to highlight for you the stitched rectangle dies. Now, I will show you a couple of card samples, but we're not going to make anything on camera. I just think this set is getting overlooked in the Occasions catalog. And I am a huge believer in adding to your basic shapes in your dies whenever possible. And so I love that they came out with the stitched rectangles because not only are they great shape dies, but they've got this beautiful stitching detail. So let me just hold, I think this lighter one will show up a little bit better on the camera. And let's let it get focused in. You see that beautiful stitching all the way around the edge on there. So these are great. They are on page 28 in the catalog, and I think they're just kind of down here in the corner, and not a lot of people are noticing them or are talking about them. I understand you can cut out rectangles with your basic paper trimmer. Let's face it, that doesn't make these special. It's that beautiful stitching detail that is what I'm after. So they are part of a bundle, and remember, you save 10% whenever you bundle products with Stampin' Up. So they are part of a bundle with the stamp set Amazing Life. Now, I did not use that today, but this has some great images that you can do some basic black and white with just a little bit of coloring, a lot of coloring. You can jazz them up however you would like. I think they're fun set, especially if you enjoy coloring with your pencils, your blends, your Stampin' Right markers. That's a great stamp set, and it's got some good sentiments in it to add to all of your cards. So what I did with these rectangle dies is I went ahead and I cut out one of each shape or each size for just for me to keep on hand. And there are 13 of them in here. And as you see, all of these nest together. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 of those that nest right inside of each other. We've got 4 more of these tall, skinny rectangles that will nest inside each other. And this is great for a sentiment strip, this small one. And then we've got this smaller rectangle that is a good fit for a lot of the sentiments as well. So I keep these in with my dies, and I use them to play around and make card front layouts. So I do this with my circles and my ovals, and I do this with some of my punches, and sometimes I will just get out and play and take these pieces, a blank card front, and just play around with different layouts. So it's a great way to kind of come up with your own basic design layout, and then you can use that and apply different papers, different sentiments, and come up with totally different looks. So today I just want to show you a couple of cards that I made with 2 totally different pieces of Designer Series paper. So I used the All My Love Designer Series paper and the Needlepoint Nook Designer Series paper. And these are all using those rectangles that were cut out. So I used the rectangle stitching in the background. Now on some of these darker pattern ones, you do lose that stitching detail a little bit. So I'm not sure if it's really worth it on those darker ones or not. But as you can see on these lighter ones, you get that beautiful stitch detail around there. So the layout I came up with called for 2 offsetting rectangles, as well as a rectangular pattern in the back, and then a sentiment strip that went across. So I followed that layout with this one. The world needs more people like you. Now that is from one of our free celebration stamp sets, part of my story, and this is one you can earn for free with a $50 purchase. So if you get that bundle of Amazing Life and the rectangle stitched die sets, you are right there with getting a free product. Those are for the bundle is $50.25. So you can earn this one for free or one of several other products that are out there for free during celebration, only good through the end of March So March 31st, 2019. So that's the sentiment stamp that I used on this one. And then that's the needlepoint nook. This is the All My Love Designer Series paper. And on this one, I used one of the new stamp sets, Strong and Beautiful. This is one of our new cling stamp sets, and if you haven't tried those out, they are wonderful. They are not going to fall off your blocks. You can shake that block as hard as you want, and that stamp is going to stay exactly where you placed it. So this has some wonderful sentiments, not just for Mother's Day. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, it's a Mother's Day stamp set, but it's got for women and friends that are in your life, some great sentiments of appreciation and uplifting sentiments for them. So this one I took and I stretched, instead of putting a smaller sentiment there, I put the sentiment on the panel, one of the tall panels, and then I stretched a piece of cardstock across. I was going to just use this polka dot tool, but I love this polka dot tool, but if you put it on any kind of paper with a pattern, I find that you lose the beauty of it. So just take a strip of plain cardstock and put behind it to help that just jump off of the page. And then I use some of our sequins that are in the Occasions catalog as well, and I love this kind of iridescent look on there. If you can, hopefully the camera's picking that up. So 2 very quick, simple cards, but that stitch design just really steps it up. So if you like what I'm putting out for videos, if you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that these are the types of videos that you enjoy. And I hope that you would, if you're looking for products and you don't currently have a demonstrator, I sure would love the chance to earn your business. And you can stop by my store. I will put the link down below and do your shopping there. And don't forget about Celebration. Earn some great free products. Have a great day.